Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before we continue, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. Today we're going to learn a small essay on ecosystem. Definition of ecosystem. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants and animals and other organisms as well as weather and landscape work together to form a bubble of life. An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. It consists of abiotics such as soil, water, and air, and biotic parts such as flora, fauna. Ecosystems have no particular size. An ecosystem can be large as a desert or small as a tree. The major parts of an ecosystem are soil, atmosphere, heat and light from the sun, water, and living organisms. All the parts work together to make a balanced ecosystem. Some examples of ecosystems are agroecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, desert forest human ecosystem, marine ecosystem. Flow of energy in an ecosystem. In an ecosystem, the sun is the source of energy. Different species in an ecosystem have different functions. Producers are green plants which make their own food. Consumers are animals which get their energy from the producers or organisms that eat producers. Decomposers are plants and animals that break down dead plants and animals into organic material which go back into the soil. Producers, consumers, or decomposers, all of them being important parts of an ecosystem. To know more about producers, consumers, decomposers, and food chain, watch our video Eating Habits of Animals and Food Chain. Link is given in the description. Importance of ecosystem. Ecosystems are the web of life on this earth. Ecosystem provides us with priceless benefits. Stable climate, breathable air, fulfill our needs of water, food and material of all kinds. We can save our earth by protecting and restoring various types of ecosystem like forest, rivers and lakes, land and soil. Forests are a source of clean air and water. For restoration of this ecosystem, more trees can be planted in the area where deforestation is being done. Rivers and lakes are the best source of fresh water. Using organic gardening techniques, biodegradable products can help in preserving, restoring ecosystem in rivers and lakes. Soil is a rich and complex ecosystem, accommodating array of biodiversity. Therefore, the importance of soil on life is vast. Planting trees is a good conservation method as it secures topsoil and erosion is prevented. As the tree grows, its roots will also help anchor the soil once they take hold, securing the soil beneath from the water runoff. We can also be the cause for the restoration of ecosystems and can reverse the damage that we have done. We can thus be the first generation to reimagine, to recreate, and to restore nature and kickstart the movement to make our world a happier and healthier place to live. Thank you. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.